How to put a custom ringtone on an iPhone. Let's start by gathering 4 items on your PC. The song file you want as a ringtone, an audio editing software, an audio conversion software, and lastly, iTunes. Also note that the last 2 items are only necessary if your ringtone isn't the right length or format. If it is, then please skip to step 3. Let's start by making sure the ringtone falls under the permissible length so that iTunes will accept the file as a ringtone. And for this tutorial, we'll use a song called Log Lady from the group Police Knots. The maximum length of a ringtone iTunes will accept is 40 seconds. However, as you can see, our song happens to be 3 minutes and 11 seconds long, so we'll have to trim it. Open your audio editing software. In my case, I'll use FL Studio. Select an audio segment 40 seconds or under at the designated starting point you want the ringtone to play at. In my case, I want to include the interlude before the drums arrive.
I heard you speaking about
Log Lady.
So I'll start from the beginning and create a 39-second segment. Finally, we'll export the song. I recommend exporting the file to the same format as the source file to maintain the audio integrity, as the file will undergo another conversion shortly hereafter. Now open your audio conversion software. In my case, I'll use the software-free audio converter, which I highly recommend. First, let's drag and drop our shortened MP3 song to the main window. Then we'll hit the drop-down menu and select an encoder that encodes AAC or any Apple-based audio format. Next, let's go to Configure Selected Encoder and specify the file extension of our converter file to .m4r. We have to select this option since iTunes will only accept this container format as a ringtone. Press OK. And for the last step, we'll specify the output destination so we can easily access the converter file. After that's done, let's hit the play button to start the encoding process, which shouldn't take any more than a second or two. Also note that if for some reason you have an M4A file, then you can easily manually convert it into an M4R file. All you need to do is go to the File Explorer, hit View, and check the File Name Extensions box. Once that's done, double-click the name on the file and manually replace the M4A text by typing in M4R. For the final step, let's open iTunes and plug in our Apple device. Once it's recognized, go under Devices tab and select Tones. Simply drag and drop our newly converted file into the iTunes window and we're all set. Of course, be sure to verify that the ringtone works on your iPhone.
for your information.
Thanks for watching and subscribe if you found it helpful. I'll see you guys later.